All right, let's go over the agenda for this week. Just a little reminder that everything is due Sunday at 11:59. It starts on Monday this week. It's a little weird just because we are starting back to school on a Monday, and for the next 2 weeks it's going to be like this. So just keep that one in mind. And then this week what we're doing is we're actually going to do notes in class. And so if you are absent, I need you to let me know. That way I can send them to you. And then all you will do outside of class, you have a Desmos activity. You can do this before class or after, whichever you prefer. And then we also have our 1.5 or 5.1 and 5.2 big ideas homework. This will not be accessible until after class because you wouldn't have taken the notes yet. And then in class, like I said, we're going to do notes. We're going to do that homework, and then we're also going to review a little bit and do an activity. I did add the Zoom link here. Keep in mind that Zoom times are from 10:45 to 11:30 on Wednesdays, and then Thursdays and Fridays they're at 10:30 to 11. Let's see if I can get out of here. It never likes me. Okay, so then in the folder you will see our weekly video is obviously posted. You clicked on it, nice job. Here's where you're going to fill your work for your homework. Make sure you post that or I can't give you a 3 out of 3. And then the Desmos activity, you'll just click on the link and it will send you to the activity. You do not have to submit that. It actually sends me your progress as you work through it. So that will be for a grade, but you do not need to hit submit. Just make sure that you are signed in with Google, or if it gives you the option to use your name, make sure you use your actual name. That way I can give you a grade for it. And that's all we have for this week. It's kind of a pretty easy, relaxed week. Just getting back in the swing of things. Make sure that you have all of your missing work submitted. All of chapter 4 is due by Wednesday because we're done with chapter 4. I also have retakes available if you are wanting to retake that. You will come and see me during Life Ed. And yeah, so that's all we've got. So I'm going to let you get started.